That was bright. Oh my god. Are you fucking kidding me? Put your brights on. Dumbass.
No, we just give them chin music. Somebody just cut us off.
I don't see anything, and I'm coming into Schaumburg right now.
It might be that way.
How do you check if ABS works?
You gotta find something slippery.
Originally, I was thinking it's like the first Tuesday of the month, but it's not Tuesday, it's Wednesday.
I know. I'm telling you right now, I don't necessarily. Why the fuck are you stopping? Like I said with the idiots today. What the fuck?
I have no idea.
Oh, it's green. It's getting greener. I'm gonna take the jacket. No, I'm not doing that. This is. Oh, it's green. It's so green over here.
You going home or gonna go look?
Let's go look.
Just a little. I'm hungry. Your mommy's probably shitting herself. And your sister. Is she?
On the drive home, it was so bad. I'll show you. Look, you can see it rotating. You can see it. Look, right here. You can see it's all rotating this way. Oh, that's it. That's it right there. Right there. Right there. Right here. Well, you gotta... Right there, that's the tornado. Right there.
Right here.
Oh my god.
It looks like a fire.
Oh my god, that's the whole tornado.
Yeah, it's right there.
Do you see it?
Slowly turning.
That's what she was talking about.
You can't see that?
That's coming right over us.
Yeah.
We better go downstairs, no?
That's
just a cloud. It's not on the ground.
Yeah, but are we? Because you guys don't understand. If they run them the whole time, they'll fucking break the chopper.
Last time I see. Ooh, is there a little funnel top? Ooh, no.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, there it is, right there.
Where?
On the left. You can see them.
Oh, right there.
And it pops down. Holy shit! I don't know if it's actually touching ground, but it's trying to pull down.
Right here.
Yeah. Right there.
Oh. Look on camera right there.
So you can see it better on the camera. You can see it pulling down.
Oh shit, we better go inside. Go. Oh shit. Look! You can see it! It's right there. Hi, Mork. I know, girl. It's right. You see right there, right? That grayness, that's rotating.
No.
Right directly in front of us. Look up.
Where?
You can kind of see it better on camera. Here, look on camera right here. Which is right there. Did you see the clouds moving on the edge?
Oh, yeah.
That's rotation.
Oh my god, ew.
Over us.
No, it's going like...
Oh, do you see the clouds forming on the side right there? Well, if it doesn't look like it's moving anywhere, that means it's coming directly towards us.
No, it's moving to the... It looks like it's
Left?
moving to the left.
Yeah, but that's right here in front of us. This is all rotation.
It looks like it's going to the left, I'm not gonna lie.
Well, our house is on a slant, so it's going directly towards the lake. Yeah, it just lifted. Wow. sirens just went off again. Oh shit.